Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day we will be looking at the pound CAD. Right, the pound CAD, I just really want to focus on this area, and in terms of market structure, it's actually making lower highs and lower lows. So we can expect the next one here to be a lower high followed by another lower low. Now this is on the daily, so it's a bit of a long term, but if we were to zoom out to an even bigger term view, such as maybe the weekly or even the monthly, right, we can see that pound CAD is really trading within a broad sideways range. However, right now is in a slight downtrend of the sideways range. Let's quickly go down to the 4 hours. So on the 4 hours, okay, we see price holding very nicely. All right, in this ascending sort of slow drift upwards. However, I just really want to point out that we can see clearly that the trend line has been broken. Price has closed below this short-term ascending trend line support and opened below as well. Right, we can expect a slight further drop, and to where we can actually use a Fibonacci retracement and open up all Fibonacci ratios. But let's just take a look at the 61.8 first, which is slightly lower over here. Okay, very quickly I just want to go down into the 1 hour, because on the 1 hour I also see something really interesting. Now focusing on this area here, okay, we can actually draw a channel, right, from the lows to the highs. Okay, so this channel is actually pretty nice. We see, price actually testing this channel at the top once, twice, and a third time, and at the bottom once, twice, and a third time before breaking down to the downside. Right, there's one more move from this high to where this low is. We can also use Fibonacci retracement, high to low, and open all Fibonacci ratios, and we see that our negative 27 lines up with our 4 hour 61.8. right, so here can be our first take profit. Okay, our intraday take profit. Of course, the nicest one will actually be at the negative 61.8. If we look to the left, is actually at this spike down here. So 2 take profits. Price, the graphical overlap is at a 23.6, so it's really pretty tight right now. Okay, so 23.6 will be the entry, and I'll put the next resistance at 50%. Why 50%? Simply because 50% is the level which we confirm that price would have reintegrated the channel, and with price reintegrating the channel, we know that this therefore is a fake out. Alright, so there's our sell entry, and our stop loss will just be slightly above the 50% to be, to prevent ourselves from getting whipsawed out. Right, so seems like a very nice risk reward profile. Okay, and I just want to show you guys that if we were to look at momentum, right, price is below moving average. Moving average here is very choppy. MACD is below 0 as well, showing that it's going lower, no sign of divergence. Okay, we can be fairly certain that we should see a further drop on the pound CAD. Alright, so thanks everyone for your time today. Wish you guys all the best. Trade safe, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys again at the next trade of the day video.